So some of you may have heard about ChatGPT, which is an AI application that you can use online. And I've been using it for a while for personal use and for work. And yesterday I thought about building my first ChatGPT application. Looking for a use case, one of the things I thought of was Jennifer and shopping for groceries. I know that menu planning and shopping for groceries is not something that she enjoys, and it takes a lot of time. So I wondered if there was a way to build a GPT that would be able to help her out with that. And this is what I came up with. So what she can do is essentially go to this GPT, which is online and it's shareable, so I can give it to anyone. And when you click on this, it says get grocery list and prices. And so the first thing that it's going to do is it's going to say, hey, I need to know what you want to shop for, so please give me a recipe. And by default, I've told it that I want to shop at Walmart, Target, Trader Joe's, and Reese's. And I've also given it the zip code that we live in, so it would know which stores to shop at. But that's all done automatically. The user doesn't have to do that. So the first thing that you do is give it a recipe. It just so happens that Jennifer uses this recipe application. So all I do is I go here, I copy the URL for the recipe, I come back here and I paste it in and I hit enter. And the application is going to automatically go out to that web page, retrieve the recipe, show me what the recipe is here, and then it's going to ask me to please list any items I already have in the kitchen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a few items here. I'm just going to say that we've got thyme, dill, basil, and black pepper. I'm just going to set that in here and say I already have this stuff. Hit enter. Now that it knows what I already have, it's going to rebuild the list based upon the things that it needs to look for. And it's going to now automatically reach out and start grabbing prices from the stores that I've selected. As you notice, the first ingredients it's running through it's running through all the ingredients, going out to each one of the stores and then getting prices for the ingredient. And we'll let this run here for a second as it goes and gets all of our prices. And you can see the prices vary quite a bit. So now it's come up with the shopping list for the best prices, and it looks like Walmart is the best option. Here you can see the things that it thinks we need to get at Walmart. And you can see at Walmart it's $43.35, Target it was $47.83, Trader Joe's was $52.43, and Reese's was $48.13. So we're going to save about $4.48 compared to the next cheapest option of Reese's, but we're going to save about $9 compared to Trader Joe's. Now it says, hey, would you like to add this to your shopping list or provide another recipe? I'm going to say add to shopping list and another recipe, please. So now she also said that tonight we were going to have, let's see, the ultimate burrata board, which sounds pretty good to me. So I'm going to view the recipe, just take the link here, and then go drop that in to the chat. And it's now going to again go out, search the recipe, get all the ingredients, and then it's going to ask me what items that I have. And I have balsamic vinegar, olive oil, I have all of that stuff there. So I'm just going to say I've already got this stuff, so please don't put that on the list. So now it says, I see you've already got this. So now we've got to go shop for this, which it's going to do now. It's going to look and find the best prices at all the different stores. So here's what we have now. So you can see the burrata balls vary in price from $6.49 at Reese's to $4.99 at Walmart and Trader Joe's. It's getting all the other ingredients, and then eventually it's going to come up with who has the best prices. And it looks like, again, it is Walmart. And you can see that we've actually got a $10 delta between Walmart and Reese's. And so now I'm done shopping, so I'm going to say finalize my list. And you can use it just natural language to talk to the chat. So here's my final shopping list. It thinks I need to go to Walmart, savings by store. So you can see that the low price was Walmart at $79.75. The high price was Trader Joe's at $101. So we're going to save about $23 today, which you see right there. So Reese's was the highest priced option. Now that we've got the list, Let's see. I'm going to say I'm done. Show me the list. So now it's going to organize it by store and by item. One of the things I asked it to do is to do it by department, which this time it actually picked it up and figured out, because Jennifer likes to shop by department. It doesn't make sense to have a list that's out of order. So here's our completed list with Walmart. And as you can see, it has produce, dairy, meat, pantry, etc. Now if you wanted to, you could just cut, and what we did earlier this morning was we just cut and pasted this. And I just texted it to Jennifer. Obviously she could do this herself as well, but at the end of the day we saved $25 today, and we made it a lot simpler because we did all this in about 5 minutes. Anyway, really interesting application. Thought others might like to know about it. It's fun to play with ChatGPT. There's a lot of use cases for it. Maybe check it out and see what you think.